Hello, this is Sam Green with Zamma. What we want to look at today is installing a multi-purpose reducer that happens to be a flush mount. This is a particular item that you'll run into with a variety of thicknesses and engineered flooring in bamboo, two of which 3/8 and 1/2 inch, which this product covers. And you can see the elongated overlap piece, the offset here. It's also finished because this product is going to overlap our installed floor, and we want to have it nice and finished all the way around. Well, basically what we're going to do is, after the floor is installed, it's a good idea actually before the floor is installed to know where the product is going to hit by using your piece of molding that you've picked up with the flooring purchase. You can also blend the particular molding with the floor that you're using. You have a variety of different planks within each box, and you can pick and choose what plank you want to be adjacent to your molding. Basically, we're going to come in, we're going to measure our opening or our place that we're going to transition, cut the molding, which I have done. I'm going to test it, drop it in, see if I like the fit and form, which I do. Then I'm going to come back, move it out of place. I'm going to take and I'm going to sweep this out, even go so far as to wipe it down with a damp cloth to remove any dust and dirt that may have fallen in there. I'm going to take some good adhesive. I want to apply the adhesive only to the bottom of the portion of my molding that's going to be on the floor, nothing else. So I'm going to put my adhesive on, I'm going to put my molding in place. You don't want to step on this. You want to follow the glue instructions for set time, but I tell you, it's not a bad idea to come back with a small nailer, put some nails in place. You've got a chemical fastener and a mechanical fastener holding it in place. It'll also keep it there while the glue dries, and you have a nice clean finish from one floor level to the next. It tapers it down without causing a stumble point. It's nice and clean and just makes the finished product look that much better. Hope that helps. Thank you very much.